Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title of the video today, I'm going to be showing you how I trim my hair in between salon visits. So as you guys can see, I'm working with an old twist out and I'm going to be washing my hair before I prep for the trim. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Red Clover and Aloe Soothing Shampoo as well as their Chamomile and Comfrey Nourishing Conditioner. I'm also going to deep condition with their Intensive Conditioning Treatment. So as you guys can see, this is what my curl pattern looks like on freshly washed hair. I'm going to be using these Ginger Pie Rosemary Therapy Drops. I just like the way that they make my scalp feel. It gives it a good tingly feeling. And I noticed that when I'm consistent with the drops in between washes and deep conditioning, then it really does help my hair grow and it gives a really good healthy shine. I'm going to make sure that I work that into my hair. And then because I am using heat, then I'm going to be using the Elastic kewpie Design Silk Heat Protectant. As you guys can see, that's what my hair looks like freshly blow dried. So I'm going to part my hair into 4 large sections with a wide tooth comb. And then I'm going to put those sections away and work with only one section at a time. So as you guys can see, I did a smaller section within one of the larger sections, and I'm going to detangle it first. Then I'm going to take my fingers, run it along the hair shaft, and then I'm going to stop once I get to the end. And once I start to feel that the strands are feeling a little rough and tangled, then I'm going to trim. So I'm going to repeat the process, detangle, and then I'm going to run my fingers along the hair shaft. And once I get to the part where it starts to feel a little rough and tangled, I'm just going to trim off that excess. And this is typically what works best for me in between getting to a salon. I have found somebody in Atlanta that I do trust to trim my hair, but I know that it gets really hectic in the semester sometimes and I can't always make it. So this is just what works for me. Sometimes I might do this once or twice a year, but it does work and it holds me over, and I do notice a difference. My curls are a lot bouncier and they look a lot better. So as you guys can see, now I have a good shape here, and it was very humid inside of the room that I was filming, so that's why my hair does look like that. But you guys can tell that there's a nice even smooth shape and there is a good angle there. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.